Don't stop, turn off the lights, nauseous when I...
Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. I am going to be doing a full makeup. I have a doctor's appointment this morning, so I'm just going to be getting ready. If you are new to my channel, welcome home. And if you are coming back, girl, give yourself a great big old hug from Just a Queen. Today I'm going to be using HEYMKGO brushes. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. They are going to help me hopefully get ready soon. I haven't previously opened these, so I'm just going to open them to you right now. HEYMKGO brushes can be found on Amazon. They have some beautiful, beautiful brushes. And I'm just going to open up this set that I got today. Oh, these are really gorgeous. I love, 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 love the color. Hold on, it's my baby. Sorry about that, guys. I had to go grab my baby. She loves to have me around her, but I need to do this video. So these are some beautiful, beautiful brushes. As you can see, they come in, oh my goodness, how many do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 beautiful, beautiful brushes. These are not cheap. They are absolutely nice. I like this brush right here. It's a nice little angle contouring brush. And oh man, look at this one. This is nice too. You see the difference in the bottom? That usually grabs more product, so I actually love that. She still want to get up here and mess with my stuff. And then we have right here, this is a nice blush powder brush, and this is a nice little, stop pulling my pants, heifer. This is a nice little angled brush. You can get in between the crease. Well, I call it a crease brush. This is another little more dense, fluffy brush. Let's see what this one is. Oh man, this is nice right here. Yes, this would be a concealer brush because it could get right up there, right by the eye, and drag that. I am definitely using that today. Let me see what this is. This is a nice makeup brush. We'll be using all of these brushes today. This is a nice little flat brush, also good for the under eye and the eye tips. We have a eyebrow brush. I'll go ahead and use that right now. And some more fluffy brushes. This is a nice little one for a nice little, if you're doing some little bit of shine on your face. So I actually love these brushes. I am going to use them today. Here's some more flat brush. And you got another angled brush and another pencil brush, a little bit different. And then you have a nice little flat. Hello to Grace. She's just dying to come up here and say hello. Say hello. Hello. Mess with mommy's brushes. So I am going to move, and these come with a nice little carrying case that matches the brushes. So I'm going to get on with doing my makeup because I don't want to be late for my appointment. I'm just going to bring all of these over here so I can sort of see what I'm working with. And I usually save these because when I... Can you see what she has in her my eyelashes? Oh Lord, it's puppy love. It's puppy love. It's puppy love, just like a baby. They will get into every living thing you have. Stop messing with stuff, girl. I'm just gonna put these up here so I can keep her from messing with them. Okay, let's try to get this done. I'm gonna put these in my drawer. I'm just using simple makeup today because I'm not going anywhere special. special. Guys, I bought a new lens for my Z30. I got this used from KEH, so hopefully it is going to do me some justice. I have a lens on there already. It's a 40mm lens. This one is a 16 to 50mm, so I'm excited about using that. I haven't started vlogging yet, but that is on my radar to start to do. So let's get on with, don't you jump off of there. Let's get on with the makeup. She's just looking for something to get into. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and prime. I'm gonna get the Milk Primer. I just haven't gone to the store yet to get it, but I've already moisturized my face after I washed it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. And this little woman is just starting to get into my stuff. Yes. Yes. I'm telling you, being single, she is a handful. She consumes a lot of my time. And I like hanging out with her, so we get along well, don't we, girl? Except when she's up on my makeup table. But she's my baby, and all these up here are just used for me, so I'm good. She gets a bath almost like once a week, once every other week, so we're good. Okay, so I absolutely, like I say, I love this little bag here. I'm gonna go ahead and use this kabuki brush to put my makeup on, and I'm still using the Bobbi Brown, although I do have my other favorite available. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to use up all of this because I'm starting to hate wasting makeup or buying a whole bunch of makeup, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use this little kabuki brush to put this on here. And it doesn't soak up all the product, so I like that about the brush, and it's very, very soft. So yeah, and it's spreading everything the way I want it to. I got some new units too that I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm going to go ahead and get my brows done. I'm not going to talk through this because, girl, you see me do this 1,000 times. Although I keep doing it a new way every time I do it. I'm going to go ahead and use their little brush again to brush these up so I can really see. Okay, I've gotten all of that done. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my I'm just putting on some jeans today, so I already had out this Reveal palette, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that. And I am going to go ahead and put these on there so I can do this fairly quickly. And I am going to use their brushes. Now, let me see, they have this beautiful angle brush. I'm definitely going to use that. Let me just get all of their brushes I'm going to use out here. And that's a pretty one there, and I probably would use this pencil brush right here, and maybe these. So these 4 of the ones in here, they have a few flat ones I'm probably going to use as well to go ahead and put my eyeliner on. But let's go ahead, and this one of course has both of these for your brows. So, and I already used this to kind of set my little orange there. This is not sticking anymore. I need another one, but we're just going to go with the flow and use what I have. So, and this I'm using to put my makeup on. So, let's get to it. I'm going to go ahead and use this angled one first because I'm putting on a little. This picks up a lot of product. I like that. Oh my goodness, it's just spreading it really, really nice. Oh yeah, I like this brush. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna do this eye and I'll do the other one offline. Oh my goodness, this looks really, really, it is really picking up the product. Oh my goodness, I love that. Oh, goodness gracious. So I'm just gonna go finish up this eye. And let's see, okay, so that's the angled powder brush. I'm gonna go in with this little brush right here, and I'm going to get like a little cranberry, and I'm going to put that. Oh wow, oh yeah. Oh goodness, I love this brush. Oh, I love these brushes, goodness. Yes, this picks up the product, and this is not an expensive palette. I got this from Ross, I do believe, but goodness gracious, look at how, oh yeah, just look at how this is spreading. And I haven't put any more on here, but it is spreading this product so nicely. Oh my goodness, look at that. It took this all the way across with just what I had on the brush and what I already had on my eye. Oh my goodness, I'm going to be replacing some brushes. Oh, these are so nice. Oh my goodness, I am loving this. I'm probably going out of us just a little bit buck wild with this, but oh my goodness, this picks up freaking product like there is no tomorrow. I'm just gonna wipe this off a little bit because this is just getting really intense, and I am not trying to have an intense look, but oh my goodness, I am so freaking happy with these brushes. Girl, you don't need to, my normal brushes I had to like dig down in there. This, I just need to freaking tap it. I'm going to go back in with that first brush because I want to lighten this look up a little bit. Oh my goodness. That is just, and look at this guys. It is just picking that light product up and placing it where I need it to go just to lighten this look up a little bit. This look. Now let me see if I can go in and tame this down just a little bit, because girl, I'm just going to go in with this, let me find a little light tan and just put it up here just to bring down that intensity just a little bit, because when I do that other eye, I'm going to know. But oh my goodness, this is just, let me take this off. That just looks so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And I'm just going in with a little light shade on yet a different brush. This one right here, which is also a puffy brush, but I want to just look at how that's blending that, where there's no harsh lines right there at all. Forgive my nails guys, I'm going to redo them, but look at how it's blending. I am super impressed with these freaking brushes. You know, sometimes you get brushes off Amazon, you don't know quite what you're getting, but oh my goodness, I am freaking impressed with my freaking eye. Oh Lord, guys, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna have to work with my hair to get it just the way I want it, but oh my goodness, I love these brushes, and I pretty much used every last one of them today. I can tell you one thing. These will pick up some product without you swiping. They will, you just dab it in there and put your color in it, put your color where you want it to be, and then use the brushes to blend everything out. These are definitely going to blend your makeup perfectly. I am so impressed the way it blended my eyes and how much product it put on there with no effort. The only thing I was not really so much about is the kabuki brush, putting my makeup on, my foundation on, but that's not a big deal. The rest of these brushes, all of these brushes are fantastic. Go onto Amazon, and if you're looking for teenagers just starting to do their makeup, you want their makeup to be nice and light and playful without using a lot of their product, HEYMKGO brushes are perfect for that. I am super impressed with them. I'm just, yeah, girl, just, yeah, you are not going to be disappointed with buying these brushes. They're affordable, they're gorgeous, they come in a couple of different colors, I believe. So go check them out. The link is above. And thank you so much from HEYMKGO brushes for sponsoring this video. And girl, thank you for giving me some nice brushes where I can toss away some, because I got a lot of brushes. But these are going to replace a lot of things. HEYMKGO brushes.